Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. In this one I'll be showing you how to build a property listing app. So here is a demo of what we want to achieve in this app. So I could come over here and place a search, and when I place a search it returns a list of values, and I'm getting this result from the Nesteria API, which is a freely accessible API for property listings in some countries. So you can see it is returned over here. Then I could actually click on this, and this is the detail view, and we'll be getting all this stuff we'll be managing our state using the scoped model, and we'll also be using the built value to serialize JSON. I'll be showing you how to achieve all this in this tutorial series. So let's head over to Android Studio and get started. But before that, you should install these plugins: the HTTP scope models, built collection, and the font awesome Flutter plugin. And also you should also add these development dependencies in your popspec.yaml. When you do all this, if the installation gives you an error that it conflicts with your Flutter test package, you could just comment it out for now. Then as we progress, we would find a way to correct that error. So after you've done all these things, you should head over to your main.dat and start coding, but we'll be doing that in the next video, so I'll see you there.